like this. Are we ready? 1, 2. Anyway, Nuru Yaya Sot Wagala. That's what's up. Together the voices. 1, 2, go. To do his will tonight. Who wants to surrender to God to do everything he wants? You're the one I'm talking to. Let's go. 1, 2. Enjoy the presence of the King of Glory. One more time. KOLA NGA BWOYAGALA. One more time. You better give me energy. 1, 2. Akaulukaya sukari wabalokole. Seteze biganye. Holy kuna ulondo yo. Oh, seteze biganye. Hey, entebe namulondo yo. Sirisa. Sete Zabuli rusozi Yesu. Hey, entebe namulondo yo ya ya. Sete Zabuli kansa budi sirimu. Hey, entebe. Do that again. I feel the power of God. Sete ay ay ay. Somebody at the verge of committing suicide. Somebody at the verge of giving up. I declare and decree as one I shayaraba. Seteze biganye. Entebe namolondo yo Yesu. Seteze biganye. Entebe yebwe Yesu afuka. Ay 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 seteza. Hey, entebe namolondo yo. Ay 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 ay. Let's declare and decree it over this God. Mokama seteza. Hey 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 yeah. Oh, we believe you can do everything, God. We believe your hand is powerful, God. We believe you're the King of Kings. And we believe you are the story that never fails. Oh, we believe, we believe, we believe. Oh, yeah, we believe. And again, let's go for this generation. We believe you are God. generation, in this generation. Gwake, gwake, gwake. Ogwoche bisiyaga gwake. Ogwoche bisiyaga gwake gwaka omuliro. Ogutasa obufumbo bw'abaweereza. You better agree with me. We are under attack. Oh, mashelele bosuria. Esikarada bosenenema. Gwake, gwake. Omuliro gwake. Gwake, gwake. Gwake, gwake. Gwake, gwake. Gwake, gwake. One more time, gwake, gwake. One more time, the voices go. Let's go. Nyumira mu Yesu nga yokya buli lujjogere. Olwajja lwetolodde future yo. Tulagira omuliro. Osayada go. Wangi. Leka gwake. Leka gwake. Gwake, gwake. Gwake, gwake. Gwake. I see angels. I see angels distributing miracles. Long awaited job applications are answered. Marriages are restored in the name of Jesus. The doctor's report is going to be different this time around. I see ya.